from this angle, like, she's giving. She's giving from this angle. But over here, she's a little confused. I am back with another wig unboxing. This is a synthetic wig. I have not done one of these in a long time. So I must say I'm trying to realign myself with wearing a synthetic wig because I haven't really been wearing them. This is the Equal Curtain Bang HD lace wig, and it's in the style Bombshell, and I have it in the color High Vanilla. Here's the stock card, and this is the picture they show on the front of the stock card, and then here's the photo on the back of the stock card. So y'all, first off the bat, the curtain bang, you know, it looks good on the model, but when you're actually wearing it, I don't like the curtain bang, to be honest. Just right off the bat, it just looks too wiggy in the front. Now it could, in the more neutral and natural colors, it could look a little better, but it really does show and peek through as a synthetic. Now mind you, I don't have on makeup right now, so that's probably the other thing where it's like you have to try on blonde colors, I feel like, when you have makeup, just to get a true testament of what it may look like. But I will say off the back, it's very light. It is light. It's a lot of hair up top, and then I feel like it thins out as it gets to the bottom, and I feel like you're kind of losing that body at the bottom. But the color is actually really beautiful. Here's the color. So yeah, the color is beautiful. It's like, I don't hate it, but I had to do a little, you know, a little cop to the side to really get a better bang, because I just did not like that front bang. But then I'm like, now that it's showing up on camera, I don't love this either. Like, I need the body to be bodying. But y'all see how like I have it in my face, and it's like, it looks so wiggy. Like, and I get it, it's a wig, so it's gonna look like a wig. But it's just, this bang is not, the bang is not banging for me. I will suggest you need to brush the curls when you first take it out the packaging, which I always do anyway with any curl unit. You just have to brush the curls out, because when you just kind of shake and go and put it on, I understand that's the concept of the line, but I just don't believe in just not manipulating the wig in some way. My initial plan when I did the research on this one, I wanted to cut it, and I'm like hesitant to cut it because I'm like, I feel like it's too long, A, for what I want to wear it for. And then I'm just hesitant to cut it because I'm like, will it look better? But I think I just need to go ahead and cut it, because that was my original plan, so I need to stick to that. I'm gonna like fold it and see what it'll look like if I was to cut it, if it would hit me here, what would it look like? Hey guys, I'm back and the hair is cut. This is what she's giving. I prefer this view of the hair with it cut. It's given like this flip over layered method. I really am enjoying that, but I will say over here it looks a little awkward. Like, I need to figure out from this angle to this angle, how can I make this look more styled appropriately for my face framing. But I am glad I cut it because I just wasn't loving it long, and I just need to figure out how to get this body back up here, just to kind of like spruce it up and then make sure, like, because it's still looking a little wiggy. But from this angle, I feel like this is a better view of the actual hair. Like, I like it over here, but I need to stop touching it because I keep messing it up. But yes, y'all, this is what the hair looks like in this unboxing. If you are interested in cutting the wig, I would say probably frame it more to your face when you're cutting. I did like a little straight on cut, which probably wasn't the best cut. I just kind of cut at the shoulder length because I'm wearing a top that has shoulder details, so I wanted to really show those off. So I think once I put the look together and then I put on my makeup, with blonde colors, you really have to have on makeup to kind of see what they're going to look like. Because when you have your bare face, I notice, especially when you're a little more fair skinned, when you have a bare face, it just kind of like, it washes you out a bit. So you have to be very mindful. So you see from this angle, like, she's giving from this angle. But over here, she's a little confused. So you can tell from here to here, she's confused because of the way I had to flip it over. Because that initial curtain bang it does not give for me. But this over here, I think I probably need to cut this piece if I'm going to leave it over here. I probably need to cut this down so it can fall like the others. I think that's the problem. I need to frame on this side of my face. Hey you guys, so I wanted to show you the inside of the unit. You have the two combs on the side, you have that middle parting space, and then you have the comb in the back where the tag is. And then you also have those clips there that you can hook onto those hooks that sit in the back of the nape of the wig. And yes, I just wanted to show you guys those elements of this wig on the inside because I forgot. So editing Vanessa tapping in and I'm tapping back out, honey. Bye. The HD lace part, which is here, and then she comes with this curtain bang just to show you guys again, and it comes in a multitude of colors. This comes in 15 colors, and again I have the color High Vanilla, and then on the inside they kind of show you a bit more of the colors also. And I believe High Vanilla, yep, it's right here. So High Vanilla is right there at the bottom on the stock card. So if you open it up, and then I feel like that High Hottie is pretty too. So that's something I would want to try. I was too nervous about the Owen Misty. I felt like it would have been a little too blonde for my liking. But looking at this picture, I feel like I would have liked this Owen Misty as well. But again, this is the color I have. And you see how I was saying like it's very thin at the bottom, like the layers are mostly up top. And then it kind of thins out and flattens out at the bottom. So that's something I just really didn't want to keep for this. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and then I will show you guys in another video what it looks like with my outfit. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you tried this Bombshell wig because she's not really new. So let me know in the comments, alright?